Today we are going to verify De Morgan's first theorem as well as De Morgan's second theorem. So De Morgan's theorem मध्ये काय एक्सप्लेन करता येते? So the product of complement of two variable is equal to the sum of complement of individual variable. This is my De Morgan's first theorem. So as per this theorem, so it stated AB bar, sorry, it states that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. आणि हे जे फर्स्ट सर्किट आहे दिस इज फॉर ए बी बार अँड दिस सर्किट इज फॉर ए बार प्लस बी बार. So what we are going to simulate this circuit. First we are going to check the results and then we are going to see how this circuit is going to be just designed with the help of Protheus. So आता याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही चेक केलंय की हे सर्किट आहे, आता या फर्स्ट सर्किट मध्ये काय मिळतंय मला ए बी बार. इथे जे आउटपुट आहे D1 इज माय ए बी बार. ओके, जो D1 दिसतोय तो तुम्हाला काय आहे ए बी बार आहे आणि जो दुसरा दिसतोय ना D2 that is your A bar plus B bar. Okay, so this is my AB bar and we are going to check whether you are simply and this one is your A bar plus B bar. Okay, आता when both inputs are off, A1 पण ऑफ आहे, दोन्ही स्विचेस जर 0 असतील, A is 0 B is 0, at that time I am getting 1. Here also A is 0 B is 0, I am getting 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, sorry, A is 1 and B is 0, in both cases you are getting 1. In this case A is 0 B is 1, then also you are getting 1 over here, LED is glowing. When both inputs are 0, okay, when both inputs are 0 you are getting 0 over here. So means what, we have verified with the help of this theorem AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. In the same manner we are going to see second theorem also. What the second theorem states? Second theorem said that A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay, the product of sum of two, the complement of sum of two variable is equal to the product of complement of individual variable. Here the word individual is very important. Okay, so how to see that? So for that purpose we are going to check. Now this is my first condition. Okay, A pan open hai, B pan hai. Okay, both switches are 0. Okay, both switches are off, means it is 0 0. For 0 0 it is giving me 1. This is the NOR gate. Okay, same thing I am getting over here. When A is 1 and B is 0, when A is 1 B is 0, your lamp is off. Okay, so AB bar is 0, A dot B bar is also 0. Then we are going to simulate the third situation in which A is 0 and B is 1. My A is 0, B is 1. My output is 0. Okay, A plus B bar is 0 as well as A dot B bar is also 0. And the last case, when A is 1, B is 1. Both. Okay, A is 1, B is 1. I am getting 0 output. Here also I am getting 0 output. Means what? At this stage I am getting the verified the result, that is A plus B bar is exactly equal to A bar plus B bar. Means what are the results which are shown by A plus B bar circuitry are the results which are verified with the help of A bar dot B bar circuitry. Means your De Morgan's theorems are going to be verified. Now we are going to simulate this circuit. आता आपल्याला हे सर्किट बनवायचे. मग बनवण्याच्या करता तुम्हाला काय करावं लागेल? सर्वात आधी तुम्हाला नवीन प्रोजेक्ट घ्यायचा आहे. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू क्लोज दिस प्रोजेक्ट. Okay, so I am going to close the project. First I will erase all these things. Then what you have to do, you have to go for the new project. Protheus मध्ये तुम्हाला दुसरी स्टेप काय, न्यू प्रोजेक्टला जायचं. न्यू प्रोजेक्टला गेल्यानंतर you need to give the name. Say here I am going to give De Morgan's, okay, theorem. Okay, De Morgan's theorem. Then next we have to there is no need to create the PCB layout, so we are not going to create any PCB layout. There is no need to use any firmware, so simply I am interested in schematic, so I will just finish it. After finishing you will get such type of say window. आता इथं आपल्याला सिलेक्ट करायचे, मला काय पाहिजे, आता माझी रिक्वायरमेंट काय ते चेक करून घ्या आधी. माय रिक्वायरमेंट इज व्हॉट, आय रिक्वायर्ड द आउटपुट A bar dot B bar आणि इकडे आउटपुट काय पाहिजे मला, A bar plus B bar. ओके, सो ह्या आउटपुट करता मला NAND गेट लागेल. आय रिक्वायर अ NAND गेट फॉर दिस वन अँड फॉर दिस I require NOT gate. Okay, and I required one OR gate. So second circuit करा मला OR gate आणि NOT gate हे दोन्ही लागणार आहेत. So first I need to go to the component section. From the component section I will select NAND gate. Okay, So after selecting the NAND gate, you need to put that NAND gate over here. ओके, तुम्ही NAND गेट सिलेक्ट केला, NAND गेट सिलेक्ट केल्यानंतर इथे ठेवलंय त्याला. त्यानंतर दुसरं गेट कुठलं लागतंय मला? I required one LED. Okay, so as we are in the last section also we are discussed, we are taking the yellow color LED because it is bright and you can easily check. Then we required resistance because the current I am going to give is 5 ampere and my LED required less current. So this is my LED over here, and before the LED I need to put a resistor over here. Okay, so again we need to change the value of this resistor. The value of this resistors I am going to make it as a 10 over here or 100 over here, as it is an AND gate, so we required less wire. Then we required switch. Okay, so I will select a switch, single SPST switch, single pole single throw switch was there. Okay, so one switch is connected to the A input, second switch is connected to the B input. Then we need to join with the help of wires. ओके, आता या स्विचला आपल्याला सप्लाय द्यायचा आहे VCC. ओके, आता त्याकरता तुम्हाला जायचं आहे इथं टर्मिनल मोड. टर्मिनल मोड मध्ये तुम्हाला जायचं आहे पॉवर. पॉवर इज फॉर VCC. डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस वन and select VCC over here. Okay, then we need to go for ground because for the completion of the circuit we required VCC as well as ground. Okay, ground नसेल तर complete होणार नाही, power flow होणार नाही त्याच्यामध्ये. So I required a ground over here and then I have connected this one. Okay, then this is connected to this. This is also connected to this one and this one is connected to this one. Okay, so now we are going to check as it is a NAND gate. So all of we know that the NAND gate will give you the output when any one input is high. NAND gate output is opposite. So here we are going to write down the truth table for NAND gates. आता इथं आपण NAND गेटचा ट्रूथ टेबल हे करूया. सो NAND गेट ट्रूथ टेबल इज A, B आणि A डॉट B बार. ओके, सो 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, what is the truth table of AND gate? That is the exact opposite to this one. So here for 0 0 I am getting 1 1 1 and here I am getting 0. This is the truth table of NAND gate that you are going to verify over here. So first again I am going to check whether shall I get the output or not. Okay, so for 0 0 we are getting 1, means this is correct. Okay, 0 0 करता तुम्हाला 1 मिळतं आहे, म्हणजे हा पॉइंट तुमचा क्लिअर झालेला आहे. त्यानंतर 0 1 करता, 0 1 करता you are getting 1, then 1 0 also you are getting 1 over here, and for 1 1 you are getting 0 over here. So this circuit is working properly. Now I have to go for the second circuit. आता मला दुसऱ्या सर्किटला जायचंय. दुसरं सर्किट काय म्हणतंय? So what is my second circuit? A bar, A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, and for that purpose what is required? So for that purpose I required NOT gate. ओके, त्याकरता मला एक नॉट गेट लागणार आहे. सो आय हॅव टेकन द नॉट गेट. त्यानंतर मला लागेल ऑर गेट. सो आय हॅव टेकन ऑर गेट ऑल्सो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आय विल टेक ऑर गेट. इथे मी ऑर गेट घेतलंय. सो दिस इज माय ऑर गेट ओव्हर हियर. सो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू स्टॉप द सिम्युलेशन. इथं ऑर गेट घेतलंय आपण. दिस इज माय ऑर गेट अँड we need to just move this gate to some location, and then we are going to put the NOT gate. कारण याला आउटपुट काय पाहिजे मला? A बार प्लस B बार. तर मला इनपुट पण A बार आणि B बारच द्यावं लागेल त्याच्यामध्ये. सो व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू ओव्हर हियर, आय विल जस्ट पुट द NOT गेट. ओके, एक A बार करता आणि दुसरा B बार करता. सो माय इनपुट्स आर AB. So AB is the input which is given to this one. Then after NOT gate we required what? This circuit. NOT gate नंतर तुम्हाला काय लागणार आहे? रेजिस्टन्स आणि हे. So I will just copy this block instead of circuiting again, and I will simply put this block over here. Okay, याच ब्लॉकला कॉपी केलं आणि त्याला तिथे ठेवून घेतलं. ओके, देन I want required switches. आता मला स्विच पण लागणार आहे. So what I will do, I will just copy this block. Okay, and move this block over here. त्या ब्लॉकला इथं मूव करून घेतलं, and then it is connected to this one is connected to this one. Okay, so this is my circuit. Second circuit was there over here. Okay, so now what are the outputs that you are getting over here? This is exactly same. जसं आपण याचं व्हेरीफाय केलं, आता तेच आउटपुट आपल्याला इथे मिळतात का ते चेक करायचे. सो अगेन आय एम गोइंग टू रन द सर्किट्स. Okay, then for one condition, now I will just erase this one. Now when my both switches are open, my both switches are open, at that time what you are getting over here, if my switch one is here 0 0, I am getting output as 1 for this circuit. For this circuit also, your input one is 0, output second input is also 0. This is your inputs and this one is your output. Okay, my output I am getting over here is 1, so my first condition is verified. Then for the second case, okay, your input, one input is 1 and second input is 0, so my first input is 1 over here, second input is 0, I'm getting 1 here, again I'm getting 1 over here. ओके, एक इनपुट तुमचं ए काय आहे 1 आहे आणि बी 0 झालेला आहे, तर तुम्हाला आउटपुटला दोन्ही लॅम्प आता ऑन दिसतंय. त्यानंतर तिसऱ्या कंडिशनला चेक करूया आपण. फॉर द थर्ड कंडिशन ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू चेक. फर्स्ट इनपुट इज 0, second input is 1. Okay, my first input is 0 over here, second input is 1, I am getting 1 here, again 0 1 1. If you are going to check the condition, okay, दोन्ही याची जी हे आहे तुमचं, दोन्ही सर्किट मधल्या स्विचेसची पोझिशन काय आहे, सेम आहे. दोन्ही सर्किट मधल्या स्विचेसची पोझिशन काय आहे, सेम आहे, म्हणजे व्हेरीफाय होत आहे. आता आता लास्ट कंडिशन व्हेरीफाय करायची आपल्याला. वेन ऑल इनपुट्स आर 0 1, वेन ऑल इनपुट्स आर 1, वेन माय ए इज 1 बी इज 1. In this case my a is 1 b is 1, I will get 0 here, again I will get 0. So I can say that my De Morgan's first theorem is verified. That is a dot b bar, product of complement of variable is equal to complement of sum of individual variable. Okay, त्यामुळे मी हे बनवू शकतो a plus b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Is it clear? De Morgan's first theorem verify झालाय. Product of complement of variable is equal to complement of product of individual variable. Is it clear? इथं कोणाला अडचण आहे याच्यात? अवंतिका भोसले, हर्ष अवॉर्ड, हर्ष अवॉर्ड, पूजा ढवड़े. Okay, now I want to simulate the second law. आता जसा फर्स्ट लॉ होता तसंच आपल्याला सेकंड लॉ पण करायचे. मग सेकंड लॉ करता काय, व्हॉट इज द स्टेटमेंट फॉर सेकंड लॉ? सो अगेन व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू, आय विल जस्ट इरेज दिस सर्किट. हे सर्किट आपण हे करूया आणि त्याच्याऐवजी दुसरं सर्किट डिझाईन करूया. सो इन दिस सर्किट आय एम गोइंग टू जस्ट replace. So for the second law, what I required, I have to just remove these components. All the components I am going to remove. So first you need to stop the simulation. Okay, then for the second law, what is required? Second law मध्ये काय पाहिजे तुम्हाला आता? So for the second law states that the sum of complement of two variable a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Sum of complement of two variable is equal to product of complement of individual variable. ओके, मग आपल्याला तुम्हाला सम घ्यायची आहे. सम करता कुठला गेट लागणार आहे, नॉर गेट. ओके, सो आय विल टेक द नॉर गेट ओव्हर हियर. मला इथं तुम्हाला गेट कोणतं घ्यावं लागणार आहे, नॉर गेट. मी इथं नॉर गेट घेतलेलं आहे. त्यानंतर नॉर गेट झाल्यानंतर अगेन वी रिक्वायर्ड एलईडी ओव्हर हियर. ओके, this circuit was already with us, so what you are going to do, instead of doing this one, I will select this. Okay, हे सर्किट ॲज इट इज मी इथनं एक एलईडी आणि तो उचलून घेतो. Only I need to put a resistance. So one resistance is going to be put over here. So I have to add one resistance. Okay, now I will change the value of resistance over here. Then I have to use switches for giving the inputs. Proper input देण्याकरता तुम्हाला दोन switches लागतील, switch 1 आणि switch 2. आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला लागणार आहे सप्लाय, पॉवर सप्लाय. Okay, so I have given the power supply and this is plus 5 volt supply, that is VCC. Normally circuit जे operate होतात ते these are going to be operated on your DC power supply and that magnitude is normally 5 volt. Okay, so it is a DC power which is VCC, which is connected to this one. Now what is the output you are getting here? Here this is my A. इथं तुमचे इनपुट्स काय आहेत? हे इनपुट आहे तुमचं, this is your A, this is your B, and at the output you are getting A plus B bar. What you are getting over here? At the output you are getting over here A plus B bar. Okay, हे तुमचं आउटपुट आलेलं आहे इथं. This is A plus B bar. Okay, and we need to verify this one, whether my A plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, A bar dot B bar. So त्याकरता मला परत दुसरा गेट कुठला घ्यायचा आहे? आता AND गेट घ्यावं लागेल. So here again I have to select one AND gate. Okay, आणि this is my AND gate over here. AND गेटला तुम्हाला नॉट गेट ऍड करावं लागतील दोन, कारण A आणि B चं कॉम्प्लिमेंट द्यायचे. So I have to add this one AND gate, not gate, this second not gate. Then again I have to connect switches. Okay, so for that purpose what I am going to do, हे सर्किटला एवढ्या ब्लॉकला मी कॉपी करतो, copy block and paste over here, and then I will connect it to this one. Okay, then again what you have to do, this circuit is common, so I will simply copy this block and put it over here. Okay, so this is the circuit. This first circuit is for A plus B bar and this circuit is for A bar plus B bar. Okay, so आता याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं आपण चेक करूया. इथं परत हे माझे आहे ना इनपुट झाले. So for your simple understanding I will write down. So here it is A, here it is B, here it is A bar, here it is B bar, and at that point it is A bar dot B bar. Okay, A bar dot B bar. Now we are going to verify whether it is will really work or not. आपण जो थेरम थिओरिटिकली बघितलेला आहे की A plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, आणि ते आपण थिओरिटिकली व्हेरीफाय पण केलं होतं. नाउ वी नीड टू प्रॅक्टिकली चेक इट. सो वेन बोथ इनपुट्स आर 0. ओके, या केसमध्ये काय आहे आता, वेन स्विच 1 इज ऑन, ओके, दोन्ही स्विच काय आहेत आता ऑफ आहेत. स्विच A input, sorry I will change the color over here. My input A, this is B and this is my output. So when A is 0, B is 0, output is 1. ओके, म्हणजे A bar plus B bar काय आहे तुमचा आता इथं मी डायरेक्टली लिहितो A bar plus B bar 1 आणि इथं A B bar, A bar dot B bar. So here A bar dot B bar. Okay, I will just erase this, again write this A bar dot B bar. ओके, A bar dot B bar ची व्हॅल्यू पण काय 1 आहे, कारण लाईट ग्लो झालेला आहे तुमचा, LED is glowing. Okay, now I have closed the switch 1, means input A is here, input A is change. So what is the value of that input A over here? Input A is 1, B is 0. So output A plus B bar is 0, as well as A dot B bar is also 0 over here. Then we will change for the condition number 3. A is 1 but B is 0. A is 0 but B is 1. तिसऱ्या केसमध्ये काय, A ची व्हॅल्यू 0 झाली. ओके, A ची व्हॅल्यू काय केली आपण 0, पण B ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे. A is 0, B is 1. So what is your output? Your output is 0 0. Okay, and for the last condition that we are going to check over here now. So when both inputs are 1, what is the value? So for both input is when all the inputs are 1, at that time what is my value that we are going to check over here. So it is 1 1, we are getting 0 0. 1 1 करता पण तुम्हाला काय व्हॅल्यू मिळाली आता 0 0. Means we can say that a plus b bar, the complement of sum of two variable is equal to complement of product of individual variable. Means De Morgan's second theorem is also verified over here practically. Is it clear? इथे काय कोणाला अडचण आहे? लक्षात आलंय? Is it clear? So this is your experiment number 2. हा होता आपला experiment number 2 आणि त्याचा